In this guide, we will show you how to change your YouTube channel handle. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. To change your YouTube channel handle, start by going to your YouTube channel page, click on your profile icon and select View Your Channel. You will see your current handle at the top and also in the URL below your channel name. Click on Customize this channel below your name. Scroll down on the profile page until you see the handle section. If it will say choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. Remember that the handle must be unique. For instance, let me change it. This might already be taken, but you can select a variations that's available. Once you have chosen an available handle, click on Publish in the top right corner to update it. Thanks for watching.